First rates on your screen, just a very flat start, very flat start, nothing here, nothing there kind of a movement. So where do we have spots of bright activity? HFCL is up, GMR Airports is up, Parsavnath Developers is a small stock but it's popping up, so I'm mentioning it. GAIL prepaid, that is the other one which is looking strong. Not too many newsmakers, but Dixon reacting to the numbers 2% higher. GAIL, missing on the news part here, but GAIL is up 4%. And then there is Tata Motors with the uptrend suddenly from 1000 to 1100 plus. That uptrend really continues. Adani Green, they're talking about a QIP soon. 1151, that's Adani Energy.
Yeah, a bunch of other names, we've been highlighting. For GAIL, of course, the earnings have been quite good. Both their transmission as well as trading has managed to drive a strong beat in the numbers for them. Dixon as well, it's been a very strong show led by mobiles. In the pre-open rates itself, the stock was holding up 5%, 2% higher for Dixon. 260 points up in the green. Adani Energy, like Nikun just highlighted, they launched the QIP wherein the floor price has been set at 1,027 per share. So that's one stock which is going to be in focus this morning. And then, of course, Torrent Power as well, wherein the merchant sales have managed to drive a strong beat for them. And Persistent, wherein there is a double upgrade from the house of CLSA. They've upgraded it to outperform the target price at 55.25. Navin Fluorine, though, has been a disappointing set. Jefferies has downgraded the stock to an underperform post the weak quarter numbers. Navin Fluorine, the EBITDA came in at a downtick of 12%. Margin saw a squeeze all the way from 23.3 to now 19.2. By the way, Titagarh Rail as well, not such an impressive performance. The EBITDA has seen a downtick of 4.1% and the margins also have declined about 50 odd basis points. For Star Health as well, underwriting profit has come at a downtick of 4%. Net earned premium, that has though seen an uptick of 16%. RR Cable, by the way, this relatively new listing, the margins have come in at 5.3% versus 7.1%. Profits have seen a downtick of about 14%. South Indian Bank as well, the slippages have come in higher by about 20%. NIMs at 3.2 versus 3.3 on a sequential basis. There's Marico, which has got a tax demand order, as has Hindustan Zinc. So a bunch of these stocks which are going to be in focus. But a lot of positive ones as well. There's Tata Consumer, of course, wherein both the revenue as well as the EBITDA has come in line. The India business, the India beverages business has seen a growth of 6%. Jindal Stainless has been an impressive set. TVS Supply, what a turnaround quarter for them. Net profit versus loss, EBITDA uptick of nearly 7% on a year-on-year basis. TVS Supply Chain higher by about almost 1%. There's Moil also. The EBITDA has seen a massive jump up of 72%. Margins have come in at 43.5%. Torrent Power, Indus Towers as well. Good set of numbers. There's a buyback that the board has okayed to the tune of about 2640 odd crore rupees, although Bharti is not going to be participating in it. 441 is where that stock is. But for the index, Kunal, it's absolutely flat. What are the first trades that you're punching in?
Yeah, flat for the indices, but the premiums sustaining for both the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty. And I probably believe that we could probably make a dash again back towards the 25,000 mark on the Nifty. Now, in terms of opening trade, Aarti Industries is something which is looking attractive from the entire specialty chemical space, and that stock yesterday managed to give a very big price volume breakout above the 730 plus mark. So, keeping that as a stop loss, would look to suggest Aarti Industries.